Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi 12 Lite, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using just the home screen as an example for this, so for me it's already open. And once your content is open and visible on your screen, simply hold power key and volume down at the same time. You'll have this pop-up right here. Once you see it, you can let go of the keys, and it gives us a quick guide on how what we can do right here. So we have scroll, which is grayed out because we're on the home screen, or at least I am, so I cannot scroll down on it. But if, for instance, I did it in settings, this would be accessible to me and I could capture a longer version of a screenshot. And then we have also a send, aka share option. Now this kind of instruction will show up only once. Later on you will see this only, and then it will just disappear after a moment. Now once your screenshot disappears from your screen, you can locate it under the gallery application. And just to quickly go into here, there we go, that's usually how you'd see it. You'll have Photos tab where you'll find your screenshot. Obviously the newest one will be visible first, but if you capture them over time, they will be somewhere lost down in time. So you can quickly locate them under albums and screenshots and screen recordings. And here we have division between screen recordings and screenshots. So I'm just gonna select screenshots, and you can see there it is, screenshot that I have literally just captured. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.